Hey guys, figured I'd show you a little video here. Got my exhaust welded down there. It's underneath here. There it is. It's all watered up except for one side that's closer to the gas tank. I haven't got to get over there yet, so I'll have to use my sister's car ramps for that because I can't quite get myself underneath there that good. So really glad I got this bench. This metal table, I should say, comes in really handy. I like it. Went down and got me a new 90-degree elbow piece of pipe. Adapter, I guess you could say, going from 1 inch to 3/4. And then the muffler there that I wanted, and I welded a piece of pipe onto it. Sounds pretty mean, I think. Alrighty guys, there's that. I gotta get another piece, or another 90-degree elbow, and then a small piece of pipe, probably about yay long, probably about that length probably, and then I'll have my stacked muffler, because when I get to 90-degree elbow I don't have nothing to thread this part in. So, but there's that. The reason I only got the straight pipe on my car right now is I'm hooked up on my exhaust for my muffler. I got all that perfect, but inside here, where is it? Right there. That part right there, I got all the access welding right there, so it screwed it all up. But I'm just gonna go about measuring how long I need it. It's a muffler cut, whatever I got left off, and then whatever too much I got over there in this car, and just weld it straight up to the pipe, and then it should be good. So right now it's welded up really good. You can look at it. There's only maybe a small section, maybe like that, on the side of the gas, where the gas tank is on that side. So it's got a heat shield onto it, but I'm trying to be careful. So I gotta get a pair of my sister's car ramps so I can back that up on, so I actually crawl underneath it and do it. So that side, and then hold that on there. But alrighty guys, figured I'd do a quick update here. Sounds really good. I like it. Oops. my hand caught there for a minute. There's no way to do what I was gonna do, so it was find some pipe that was, well, I could have done it, but it's just not that cheap to do it the way I was thinking. So this muffler is, see, with a little ridge there, probably about four and a half. So the way I was thinking of doing, let me close up. There we go. Originally, I was gonna find some there we go, exhaust pipe and go over top of this and meet up right here, have a 90-degree elbow and go up like a stack. So it'd be all like this and have a stack that goes up, but yeah, you want for just a 90-degree elbow, it's maybe you know, cut from there and then it's got an elbow there, maybe that long, maybe, well, maybe not that long, but well, yeah, probably about that long. So that much right there with the elbow into it, and then this long. They wanted like 75 or 79 or something like that, just for that piece. So when I just went down $2.99 there, the $3.99, $2.99 there, and the muffler was $5. So, but alright, guys. Anyways, if anybody's looking for a cheap welder, $105.50 works damn good. So, I mean, you could probably do better welds than me, but this is just me. So, I know tomorrow I gotta do a tack weld on up here and that there. So. Because it keeps, that nut keeps loosening up. See how loose that is? So, and the only real way to really tighten that sumbitch up is to, well, tighten up that nut there and then hopefully do a weld onto it. But other than that, take the whole assembly off right there and then swirl it on there. And I really don't want to do that. Or go down and get a small piece of thread pipe, goes in, small piece that comes out, get a new 90, and you know, come out, but that'd screw up my whole stack idea. So, but I'm just gonna tighten it up, do a small tack weld onto it, so it won't move again, and then call that good. So.